Nĩ ndũmĩrĩri iria ĩrarekereirio utuku wa ira nĩ ngabana wa Nairobi Johnson Sakaja kũgerera rũrenda rwa Twitter. Sakaja akĩheana mũkana wa mũthia kũrĩ ene irabu iria ikoretwo igĩthaka nyimbo hakuhi na micii ya andu. Maabitha a borithi magĩtumwo icigo-inĩ itiganĩte kuhitana na irabu ici. Itacukia rĩa Sakaja rĩgĩũka rĩrĩ mũingĩ ũkoretwo ũgĩteta kumana na kuongerereka kwa inegene matuura-ini. Rĩu President William Ruto agĩthukĩra uritu ikinya rĩrĩ.
There has been some outcry. Your Excellency, yesterday I closed a few establishments that have been making noise in residential areas. And I said, Your Excellency, on that one we will not relent.
Please keep the noise away from our children. You have our support.
Ruto ni atugiritie mubango wa kunina inegene matura-ini ma kaunti ya Nairobi agĩtĩtĩrithia no muhaka magacirithie Nairobi nginya matigirire ni yakinyanĩra ikiro ta mucii munene wa bururi.
Too many people, Your Excellency, even with mental health problems because of insomnia, because of this establishment. So we want to support business. We're a pro-business government. I know Moses Kuria, we've discussed this many times. We're providing designated areas in Nairobi and CBD, in some parts of Westland, some parts of Upper Hill, where you can play music as much as you want. But we will give our children peace in our neighborhoods.
Ensure that the standards of the city of Nairobi are the standards of the capital city of Kenya.
Hamwe noguo mutongoria wa bururi no ataririe mubango wa gutheria njũĩ cia Nairobi na guthondeka miberethi ya gutheria giko.
Look at our rivers in Nairobi. It's a sad story. And I want to assure the residents of Nairobi, as I do the rest of the country, that we will make Nairobi River what it should be.
Ruto akĩhithũria kũmbwo gwa kamĩtĩ ya mwanya mũthia-inĩ wa kiumia gĩkĩ ĩrĩa ĩkwĩhokerwo wĩra-inĩ ũyũ.
We'll get rid of the sewage and we will get rid of all the other affluents and effluents that are going into our city rivers. And thank you very much, Governor Sakaja, for working with my deputy to ensure that we agree with all the stakeholders to set up the Nairobi Rivers Commission so that we can sort out our rivers in the city.
Bringing back order, Excellency, is not always a smooth process. It is painful, but it must be done. And sanity must be brought back to our country, to our cities. And I pray that Kiambu also will follow queue.
Kiumia kĩhĩtũku Sakaja nĩ athanire irabu iria ciĩ hakuhĩ na micii ya andu ihingwo, akiuga ene irabu ici matikũheo license, ĩndĩ no irabu iria cirĩ taũni na icigo iria igwĩtĩkĩrio ikũheo marũa.